Hey guys, sorry for accident back with today's video, and we're doing board smashing, camcorder. Let's do this. So because the battery on that camera is literally broke, we're going to have to use a power bank, which is solar panel one. So here we're going to plug this crap in, and let's be real, this is crap. Oh my god, I haven't seen that screen in ages. It works, but the screen's dodgy, like, so I mean, got the colours on it. It's like this video awful, plus the SD card thing is broke. Yeah, so let's look through the menus. It's definitely a little bit hard to use compared to, you know, my actual camera. But I'm not filming. Battery's dead though. But this camera is literally, look at this, look at the colours on it. Yeah, sometimes it's alright, sometimes it's awful. Yeah, this is 1080p by the way. Change it down to, it's bound down but I don't click properly. And 720p, it's actually a lot better. You know, like shake it, it's still like, you know, it's crap, but yeah. That's gonna smash it. Introduction, how not to break your camcorder. Yeah, the hammer's kind of retiring at the minute, so we're gonna use this big ass heavy shovel to do it. So yeah, we're just gonna, like, you know, start with, you know, the drop test actually. Yeah, I'm actually still in my uniform filming it. So first, closed. 3, 2, 1. Ends down. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it on the brick now. There's some brick here. That's 3, 2, 1. Scuffs at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it because I can't see, but you know. Yeah. Now I'm going. Actually, I'm not going to do it open because I don't want the screen to, you know, completely break off yet. So I'll break, you know. So now, let's do this. I do actually have the battery in my pocket, so well, it's in my hand now, but oh, I don't want to be too rough with this. So while I wait for this to charge up a little bit, so we don't need to plug it in, let's look at some of the features on it. It's got a swivel screen on it. Camera quality is awful, but it says it has no card. That's because the, you know, the SD card slot is broke because I put the SD card in the wrong way. Got a bloody phone here. Look at that. Got my phone. Can't see it because the video quality is that bad. It's fully charged. It's not fully charged. Bro, it's not going in. Okay. So this camera is really crap. Autofocus is hot. It's actually horrendous. Like, I film videos and the entire video will be completely out of focus. I did that on my old channel a few times and I didn't realise. And what is this large square aspect ratio? You know, smoother than the actual video. Actually, the photo mode is smoother than the actual video mode. You know, it should be smoother on, you know, the video mode, but you know, the camera's awful. Oh, wow, that shovel is dirty. Yeah, that's mad. This camera is awful. Camera here, right? It was made in like 2009. It can't even film HD. That's not. It can't even film 720p. But yeah, the video quality is probably better than this, and that is saying something. So the battery should have charged now, and I think it has. So let's play. Oh god, let's play with it. So I don't know if you can see this. Whoa! Damn, is that the? I think that happens when the battery gets too low, but you know, I can't be bothered to, can't be bothered to wait for it to charge, so Oh! Wow, barely even through that rock. If you hold on the screen, you can see some of the video better. Yeah, let's just unplug that. I don't actually want to break this cable because I need some of these. Yeah, the screen's broke now. Now, we could begin the we could begin the fun. Oh. Damn, look at that. Look at that super high quality display. Wow. Jeez. Yeah, it's such a high quality screen, look. Galaxy Z Flip. Get this motherboard. Galaxy Z Flip. Damn. Wasn't expecting the screen to break that easily. There's the cover. Obviously that went, obviously, there, but, it's, a little bit messed up at the minute. And this bit's stuck to the, oh, it's got a magnet on it, that's why, so. A bit fried. Yeah, you all know what's funny about this? If you plug it in, you still hear it. Okay. If I hold the, it'll just work it off camera. If I plug it back in. Now it's defective. Will it still work after that? Wow. Will it still work after that though? Can you imagine? Yo! There's a light. This is a new GoPro, this boy. Crappy camera, I don't like it. Yeah. Let's try it again. Nah, it's dead now. It's cooked. Oh, the battery, oh no. Didn't want to blow that thing up. Oh, that sound, that's when what, that's when what gets inside the camera. Damn. That's a good thumbnail photo. Wow. Oh, I just knocked all that over. Next it knocked all over here, and my power bank, it almost got my power bank wet. It didn't get wet, it almost got wet. Same old, it's just Friday. I don't actually know if I got down frame or not. Well, I don't actually think there's any down. Oh, yes there is. Yeah, so as you can see, the camera's coming apart a bit. I'll put it back together. I don't think so. Here's all my clothes. I'm in my school uniform doing there. Just look at the state of this. The cable's not ripping. Loved it. It's slow-mo time. Oh, that's mad. It's a big hole in the top now. It's filthy again, but battery still. I'm just gonna flip in. Wow. Yeah. Ooh. That's some cool looking insides. I want to fix it. Yeah, I don't think this is beyond repair. Yeah. I think this camera might be cocked. The lens is still intact though. It can't be though. Oh, why can it be intact? Oh, that's a lot better. Oh, I didn't mean to hit the knife. Wish I did that in slow-mo. And at this point, it's just a flipping case. Yeah, that was kind of mad. At least the screen is still intact. You see, look, it's still fine, look. There's not a dent on it. Yeah, so I don't think there's much left to destroy to this camera. There we are. Yeah, so before I end this video, you guys get to watch me clean all this up, but in time lapse. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.